Hi guys, welcome to my video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to upgrade an Asus X556UA laptop by upgrading the memory. Okay, let's begin. Turn the laptop on the other side. As you can see, there's a cover here. I've already removed the screw, but what you need to do, use a Phillips screwdriver, remove the screw, and now put your fingernail in between this little gap here and lift up the cover. Now once the cover's removed, there will be a empty bank slot here, so you can upgrade the memory. So I'm going to show you how to upgrade. It's so simple. Just make sure you align it just like this, and then you just slot it in, and then you push it down until it clips. And then that's it really. Job done. You've upgraded your laptop.